Hello and welcome. Salts. I'm sure each one of you is aware of the salt we write like this, known as common salt. This picture here is showing a petri dish with some common salt. This is not the only salt that we know. Back in Form 1, we learned that acids react with metals to form a salt and hydrogen gas. For example, zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Zinc chloride is a salt. Now this diagram here on the left hand side is a very spectacular reaction that we are going to learn in this topic, which is called golden rain. You can see it is very beautiful. So what is a salt? It is a substance that is formed when the hydrogen ions of an acid are wholly or partially replaced by a positive ion. The positive ion is usually a metal or ammonium ion. Now let us try to figure this out using some of the reactions that we have done in the past. The neutralization of hydrochloric acid by sodium hydroxide solution gives us sodium chloride, which is a salt, and water. Another reaction, magnesium metal reacts with the dilute sulfuric acid to give magnesium sulfate and hydrogen gas. And finally, another example is potassium carbonate reacts with nitric 5 acid to give us potassium nitrate, water, and carbon dioxide. I would like you to notice one thing, that for each of these reactions, the hydrogen is replaced. For example, when you look at the first equation, sodium hydroxide, the sodium hydroxide replaces or displaces the hydrogen from hydrochloric acid and eventually form sodium chloride and water. Similarly, magnesium replaces hydrogen from sulfuric 6 acid to form magnesium sulfate. Again, potassium carbonate replaces hydrogen from nitric 5 acid to form potassium nitrate, water, and carbon dioxide. Have you noticed that each of these salts is a replacement of the hydrogen ion by the positive metal cation? As you can see, sodium replaces hydrogen from hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride. Magnesium replaces hydrogen to form magnesium sulfate. Potassium replaces hydrogen to form potassium nitrate. And that each of these products formed are known as salts. And that is why